In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the loss of inventory in Sage, and also we will see how we can adjust the quantity of one because it is damaged during loading and unloading, as you can see in this transaction. So from Sage, I'll just go to inventory and services, and from here we go to inventory adjustments, and there we have it. Now let's see what is the item, one Corolla windscreen. So choose Corolla windscreen. By default, the adjustment account is selected to cost of sales, but I'll just scroll down and I'll link it to an expense account, shrinkage, spoilage, or inventory loss, such kind of account I want. Now I don't see any account related to that. So instead what I can do is I'll just create a manual one on 7200. We have the last one on 7100. So let's create it. So click on new. So this one is 7200. And the account name is loss of inventory, and let's make it expense and save it. Let's choose it, 7200 loss of inventory. Unit cost is 400 and we have 470 in quantity. Don't worry if you see any other quantity because we will adjust that later on when we see the final reports. Adjust quantity by, since we want to reduce one item from the stock, we will write here -1. Press tab to make sure that the new quantity is one item less. And the reason to adjust is, let's write damaged inventory. After that, let's save it. And this is how we adjust the loss of inventory in Sage. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.